Okay, so I hope you guys had fun with the activity. So based on what we learned about budget, if you had to choose between paying rent or a new video game that you really want, which one would you choose? Rent, because it's a necessity. Yes. You cannot play video game if you don't have a TV or house to play in. Okay. What about utilities versus movies? Would you pay for the electricity and water, or would you spend it on a movie monthly subscription? All right. So, what are examples of utilities? Yep. Heat. Light. Yep. All those are utilities, and it's a necessity. Okay. And then you also have what's called fixed and variable expenses. What are expenses? Okay. Spending. So it's just spending. Expense means spending money. There's two types: fixed expense and variable expense. So what's an example of a fixed expense? Rent. Good. Okay, so rent doesn't change. You have to pay the same amount every month. So that's considered fixed. What's another one that's fixed? Insurance. Yeah, if you have home insurance or auto insurance, that's fixed. It doesn't change month to month. Okay, another one, that's a fixed expense. Doesn't change every month. You pay the same amount every month. Sorry? Is the electricity bill fixed or variable? Variable, right. So if that month you decided not to watch TV, then or if you're on vacation, that month's bill should be lower. If that month you decided to turn on your TV 24/7 or turn on all the lights because you're scared of the boogeyman, then that month your bill is going to be super expensive. Okay, Wait. Okay, so some fixed expense could be phone bill, same amount every month. And then variable could be food, clothes, or gas. Okay, so for example, Brian, do you need new clothes every month? No. So for the month that you buy that expensive designer clothes that you will wear every single day for the next month, then 1 month it will be very expensive. Then the next month you don't have to pay anything. Okay. All right. Food also is variable. You could have McDonald's one day, and then you can have a steak dinner the next day. So it varies. So those are fixed versus variable expenses. What about earnings? How would you define earnings? The money you get. So you're getting money from it. Okay. So so I hope you guys have a good idea of what a budget is, what expenses are. So I have this assignment for you guys. Okay. It's only out of 12 because there's 12 questions. It's meant to be like a simple assignment just to boost up your mark and just to get you guys thinking about money. You guys can start on this. It's due Friday. Okay, so work on it. All right. Individual mark. So make sure you write your name on it, and then so there are just like what we were doing. Given a scenario, what happens? Do some calculations, and so forth. So that's what it looks like. You see how internet increase, transportation increase, shipping expense decrease, and so forth. So then it. Okay. Who? Yeah. Okay, so there you go. So this assignment, when is it due? Friday. Easy assignment, only worth out of 12 marks. Okay, so it's meant for you guys to boost up your mark. What happens if you don't hand it in on Friday? 0 out of 12. So then it doesn't boost your mark. Okay, simple as that.